Home anniversary cards are a great way to keep in touch with your clients, celebrate their home anniversary, and let them know that you will keep in touch with them long after closing. It was not just a transaction for you. This is something that I use in my business regularly, and I talk about it a lot. And I've received frequent questions from you regarding what should the card say, what should the card look like, how do I go about automating sending these cards out. So today I'm sharing all of that, and I'm going to be giving you access to a free template for the exact card that I've used in 2024. I'm Amanda. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about growing your real estate business without ever making a cold call or knocking on a random door. If that's something you're interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I share a new video every single week. Okay, so let's talk about it. Home anniversary cards. It sounds simple on the surface, and it really is, but you've got to get a system going, and you have to have an actual design for the card so that you're not constantly having to write cards out every single week. Personally, I use Mailbox Power to automate my home anniversary cards. I send a different card every single year. You do not have to use Mailbox Power though. I'm going to share a free template with you from Canva today that you could have Canva print or have somebody else print. And we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna go right into Canva and show you what to do. So here I am in my Canva account. I've already got it pulled up, and this is the template that I am going to leave a link to in the description below, completely free for you to access. This is the one that I have used throughout 2024, and I do redesign the card once a year because I think it's just tacky to send the same card year after year to my clients. So this is our design that we had this year. You will be able to change any of this that you would like. We put my logo here. If you don't have a logo, no worries. You could leave this part blank. This is the top of the card when they open it up, or you could put something else there that is unique to your brand or something that you want to share with your clients. Then come down here. This is the question that I get the most is, what do I say in these home anniversary cards? And it's really up to you. You have to think about your clients, your relationship with them in the message that you want to send in this home anniversary card. So here I have just put a placeholder. You can fill in your client name if you're going to be printing these out on Canva, or you can leave it blank and you could write your client's name in. Make sure before you order these from Canva or wherever you want to have them printed that you change this up. We refer to my community of clients as the AD Reg community, Amanda Davidson Real Estate Group. So be sure to customize that to what you want it to say, or maybe you just want it to say you're a valued member of my community. You can change this. This is really to give you something to work from so that you don't have to do the heavy lifting and come up with the entire card and the design yourself. Same thing down here. You're going to want to change it to how you want to close out with your clients. And then we're going to come down here, just have the back blank personally. But again, you can totally change this up. If you are going to be having these printed in Canva, then you would want to come right up here after you've customized it to how you want it to look, and then you would hit print with Canva and you can go through their options. I am going to jump over to Mailbox Power now because Mailbox Power is what I use to send these out, and it is automated. I think that that is a great way to leverage time. Now that we have it all set up with the client's home anniversaries within the Mailbox Power system, it is very user-friendly. It's easy to do. I change the card out once a year, and that takes me maybe 10 minutes to do. As new clients close, we add them into Mailbox Power. Very simple. So this is what it looks like. If you were going to also use Mailbox Power, then what you would do after you customize the Canva design to your taste, you would come over to share and you're going to go to download, and you want to download these individual images to your computer and then go into your Mailbox Power account and upload them. I'm not going to go through all that in this video because this video is not, the purpose is not Mailbox Power and how to use it. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. So we've got the front of the card here. That is when they open it up, the top, that's of course my logo that is removed in Canva. And then if you're going to automate this in Mailbox Power, then what you would come and do here is use their system for automatically including the first name of the client that it's going to. And that's what will allow you to automate this. I'm going to put my punctuation in there afterwards. Then all you have to do is Get this set up so that it is associated with your client's home anniversaries. The back is reserved for the barcode in the Mailbox Power system. And then Mailbox Power, once you get your orders set up, will send this, include the envelope, and then also a real stamp. So it looks very personalized. It's something that people want to open. And I think that that's really important. But by no means do you have to have Mailbox Power to do home anniversary cards. You actually don't even have to have your own design if you don't want to use Canva either. I just thought it would be helpful to share a template with you so that if you want to use it for free, you can. You can also use other services to get your home anniversary cards printed out. There's lots of options. I wouldn't get bogged down on where to get it, what to do. It's about implementing this, and whatever is going to be easiest in your business, do that. Home anniversary cards are one of the first touch points that I ever implemented into my business when I was working on creating an actual system to keep in touch with my clients. And it just comes very naturally. Of course, you want to celebrate them and celebrate their home anniversary. And clients love this because you're remembering their anniversary. Maybe it's not their marriage anniversary or some other special occasion, but it's one that you were a part of with them. So take the time to do that, no matter how you're going to do it within your business. Maybe you've only had a couple closings and you're thinking, I definitely don't need this to be automated through Mailbox Power. Absolutely no problem with that. Take the template and use it, order some cards. You can handwrite cards if that's what's easiest for you. Just make sure that you're looking at your database at the beginning of every month and then writing those cards out so that they're all going out on time. That's the trickiest part, in my opinion, is making sure that these cards are going out when they need to go out. And as your business grows, it will become very cumbersome to be writing cards out and remembering when to mail them every month. So keep that in mind. As your business grows, you may need to adjust this. But if you're just getting started and looking for a way to keep in touch with your clients and start building out a plan of touch points for them every year, the home anniversary is absolutely the easiest one to implement. I hope you got some value from today's video and that you use the template. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And until I see you on the next one, thanks for watching.